Cam Newton isn't just a great quarterback. He's a great athlete. He'd probably be the first to tell you that. If you saw Newton flip over the pile, I mean flip, as in he went a somersault up in the air to score a 2-yard touchdown against the Houston Texans earlier this year, you know what I'm talking about. If you've seen Newton run over linebackers, sometimes run around them, you know what I'm talking about. I'm David Newton, team reporter for the Carolina Panthers, but is Newton the best athlete on this team? Is Newton even the best quarterback that's an athlete on this team? I think that honor goes to third-string quarterback Joe Webb. Now, Webb plays gunner. He returns kick. In fact, he plays on every special teams unit. Webb also can play wide receiver for the Panthers, and he's caught passes. Webb may not be able to run over players, but Webb can run around them. He's faster than Newton. He's probably a little more agile as well. Now, Newton and Webb have this debate all the time on who's the better athlete. They talk about it in terms of basketball many times. Newton says he's a better basketball player. Webb lets him think that. He knows better. So while Cam Newton is a great athlete and can do wonderful things on the football field that a lot of players can't do, so can Webb. He just doesn't get the headlines for what he does. When you ask me who the best athlete on this team is, I have to give it to Joe Webb.